Good evening, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and this evening I'm shooting a video of our 2013 Ford Transit XLT Premium. And what this is, it looks like a stock van, but this is a mobility, wheelchair accessible van. It's been converted by Mobility Works. And what I love about this van, everything's manual. The back doors are manual, they open right up. Very little to break, very little to go wrong. You got your ramp back here. Spring assisted, so there's no power motor to it, no electric doors. A lot easier to work. Look here, I just grab it, I walk straight back, very easy to do. This thing is so new, these springs are so tight, it's almost hard. It doesn't even want to go down because this van is so new. And what I mean by that, this van only has 3,000 miles on it. The ramp itself is about 31.5 inches wide. Coming inside the van is 59 inches. Inside the van is about 62 inches of headroom. So yes, this van is ADA compliant. The ramp depth is 47 inches. So measurements you need to know if you're thinking about putting your wheelchair in this van. It's kind of what a lot of the taxi cabs use. Has the Q strength in it. It's got the self-retracting Q strengths up there. Those are very nice. It's like a $1,200 set. Altogether, rear and front, about $1,500 in tie downs in this thing. It's got the spare tire right there. It's in amazing condition. Pretty much darn near brand new condition. Little background on this van. We bought this from one of our wholesalers. The dash looks brand new. They even got the window visor up there. When they used to park outside, this van was always garage, but the times they did go outside even to go eat, they covered up the dash. This van has been meticulously maintained, very well kept. When you've got your passenger secure in the rear, grab right here. I can do it off one hand, fold it back up, you're ready to roll. Shut the doors and there you go. It's got the tinted windows in the rear, give you a little bit of privacy, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. And I'm going to do a walk around on this van. There's really not much point in it though. I mean, this van seriously looks like brand new. Tires still in excellent condition. All the tread left on them. They're not all cracked up and weathered. Like I was saying, a little background on this van. From my understanding, a well-to-do family owned it. They only use it to take one of their family members from a nursing home to lunch on Sundays, pretty much. So that went on for 4 or 5 years. They would literally put 30-40 miles a month on this van on occasion. They took it on a few small trips. So this van has been continuously driven. It just hasn't been driven very far. But it's been continuously started. It's been garaged. It's been very well kept. It's like something out of a time capsule. Like I said, 3,000 miles on it. Not 30,000, 3,000. Only blemish I can find whatsoever. This back driver's side hubcap has a little bit of paint chipping off of it. It's not on the other hubcaps. This van is in very, very nice condition. Inside, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Got seats for 3 in the back. So a lot of our vans that hold 2 chairs will only hold 4 people. This will actually hold 2 up front, up to 3 in the rear, and a chair in back. So if you have a growing family or a little bit bigger family, you need a little bit more seats, you got it. These back seats will actually fold down too. So if you got a passenger in the rear, these seats will fold down. So they're not back there by themselves with a wall between you and them. You can fold them down, keep the airways open, converse like normal, and they'll be about 3 feet behind you. Not a huge deal. This van came with the original window sticker, the conversion package, the electric tie-down retractors, manual, the Q strength manual, the owner's manual. It does have one key, has a second key fob, and it does have a little door key in here. This will just operate the door, so it does not have an actual second key and fob, but it does come with all that stuff. So we'll put all that back in the glove box. Show you a little bit more of the interior. Again, it's very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No unusual odors in here. No pet odors, no cigarette burns, no cigarette stains. You can see the current mileage on the van, 3,589 miles. When I go to start the van, fires up first time, every time. It's got the power window switches here in the middle. We've tested the power windows. They work great. Everything on this van works exactly like it should. Power mirrors work great. Radio works good. No check engine lights on, nothing like that. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, it idles smoothly, everything looks good, no signs of any damage, no signs of any water, no signs of any accidents. We check these over very thoroughly before we buy them. Idle just like it should. Has a little 4-cylinder engine. We kept 27 miles a gallon on the highway. That's the air conditioner you see dripping. Got it running. And it's got up to 22 miles a gallon in the city. Very clean underneath, no signs of any rust, no signs of any damage. And that's why I get out and crawl around on the ground when it's 104 degrees out. Because I want you to know what you're getting. Trust me, I don't do this because I like it. I do it because I want you to see underneath this van. It's beautiful. It looks brand new. You know, you can buy these vans up northeast, up in the New Jersey area, New York, Chicago. You know, whoever you buy from, you better have them get out and do a video like this. Because if you buy a rust bucket, something's got a bunch of rust on it, you can't register it, folks. You can't get it. It won't pass inspection. And if it won't pass inspection, you can't get a tag for it. And if you can't get a tag for it, say it with me, you can't drive it. Know who you're buying from. Buy from Affordable Mobility and Big Tex Mobility. They're brother and sister companies. I own both of them. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We provide a free auto check report. We do these videos. I hope you see in our videos we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. So let's take the van out on the highway. I want you to listen to it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on the highway. I want to give them hard acceleration. I want you to hear the engine run, transmission shift. I got the AC on. It works amazing. Thank God, because it's a warm day today. Little SUV gets up to 65 miles an hour, real nice. What I'll do is take this exit over here. It does have cruise control as well. I've got that set. You can see the cruise works great. Drive down the highway. I got it 62, 63 miles an hour right now. What I'm going to do is give it a hard brake at the stoplight up here. I want you to see there's no unusual brake noise, no grinding, no squeaking. Nice hard brake right here. No one's behind me. I'm watching. You can see there's no grinding. The steering wheel's not jumping back and forth from a loose front end. You know, overall, this van truly is in darn near brand new condition. You can go out and buy a brand new one for $40,000, or you can buy this one for a little over half that. And as always, keep in mind, we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have over 500 reviews on eBay, and all of them are positive. No one has ever had a negative comment to say about us. We represent our vans honestly and fairly. We don't have any hidden administrative fees or document fees. We give you a free tag. And overall, if you ever want to come look at one of our vehicles, please give us a call first. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Just call us. Make an appointment with us. We'll make sure that we give you our undivided attention. It's got almost a full tank of gas right now. Check us out 24 hours a day. Wichita, www.mobility316.com. Texas, Dallas, Texas, www.bigtexmobility.com. As always, thank you so much for checking out Big Tex Mobility and Affordable Mobility, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.